So this is sari code number 2. This is sari code number 2. This is the shade bottle green. The same weaving pattern. The weaving technique and the pattern, everything is same. Just the color variation. And it's given to the blouse like one with tried blouse and conversating animal very work on the sleeves. So yeah, this is the sari look number 2. The price is 9,800. The sari again comes with a plain blouse, plain running blouse in bottle green with the border. If you would like to get a similar blouse that she is wearing, the bottle green one, it is priced at 5,500 separately. So this is sari code number 2 and the price is 9,800. Moving on to the next one. Hi, the blouse can be, hi Amra, the blouse can be customized in various sizes. So the blouse fits down. So this is, we're moving to sari code number 3. It's a beautiful purple chiffon sari with polka buttas all over the sari. It's got a grey pallu again with pink zari. Very vibrant color, guys. With pink border. Just a second. So that's the blouse piece with it. It's got a 2-inch zari border for the sleeves. Yeah, that's the blouse piece for it. So this is sari code number 3 and the price is 9,500. So it's got a great falling texture to it. It is not georgette. It is light in weight. It has a light in weight texture. Yeah, that's the whole look of the sari. So we have similar sari in color variation again. Moving on to sari code number 4. So this is sari code number 4 and the colors are quite opposite. Pink body with polka buttas and purple border. That's how it looks if you drape it. Hi Divya Reddy. Yes, we have Banaras Paithani Georgettes. We will be showing them in a bit. So please do watch the live till the end. Yeah, so this is the blouse piece in purple. It's got a small border towards the end of the sleeves. This is sari code number 4. Again, this is a chiffon sari, guys, not georgette, Banarsi chiffon material, and the price is 9,500. This is sari code number 4 and the price is 9,500. Moving on to the next one. Hi Tishri, can you please WhatsApp us on 9121017226? So moving on to the next one, this is sari code number 5. All these saris are in silver zari with beautiful buttas all over the sari. We've got 5 shades in this. First shade being the nude pink with blue. It's got a nice blue blouse with it. That's the blouse piece. This is again in Banarsi Georgette. This is sari saree code number 5 and the price is 9,500. Moving on to the next shade. Similar saree with color variation. Ice blue with pink. It's got a beautiful pink pallu. That's how it looks if you drape it. And it's got a pink blouse material with it. That's the blouse piece. The entire saree zari is in silver weaving. Yes. This is saree code number 6 and the price is 9,500. Moving on to the next shade. Similar saree in a different shade. Very vibrant blue with yellow borders and yellow pallu. Yeah, that's the color, exact color of the saree. Yellow pallu, beautiful silver buttas and silver border, and it comes with a yellow blouse material. With silver zari border on sleeves. This is saree code number 7 and the price is 9,500. So that's the whole look of the saree. These are all pure handlooms, Banarsi Georgettes, and all these are single piece sarees. If these are sold, you will have to make a pre-order, which will take 2 to 3 weeks to dispatch. Please keep that in mind and make your bookings. So this is saree code number 7 and the price is 9,500. Moving on to the next shade. Is that the last shade? Do we have a... The last shade in this is going to be this pink with purple. This is the exact shade. This is in dull pink with purple border. That's the whole look of the saree. Beautiful stripe pallu and a purple blouse material. That's the blouse for this. This is saree code number 8 and the price is 9,500. We have a similar one. We have 2 more shades in that, right? Moving on to the next shade, we actually have 2 more shades in this. This is with yellow and blue combination. Very bright color, yet subtle. Very pretty color, guys. This is again in Banarsi Georgette with silver weaving. Pure handloom saree. Comes with a blue blouse material with silver border. Yeah, it's a beautiful shade. This is saree code number 9 and the price is 9,500. So the last shade with antique detailing, the zari weaving is in antique color, not in silver. It's a very pretty shade in peach and yellow. Similar design, just the color variation and the zari variation. That's how it looks. Very subtle looking saree. Very pretty. It comes with a yellow blouse material with antique gold blouse material. That's the blouse. This is sari code number 10 and the price is 9,500. Hope you guys are liking our collection. Do comment us if you like these. You can WhatsApp us on 9121017226 and my team will get back to you. Okay, let's move on to the Paithani saris in Banaras. Banarsi Paithani saris. I think we've shown you similar pattern earlier as well, but this one is with buttas. So this Paithani work is done on Banarsi Georgette. Generally we see on mungas and other materials, but just to make it comfortable, this is done on Georgette, which has got beautiful fall. That's the close look of the border. Thank you, Itishri. So this is in pink Georgette, Paithani pink Georgette, and that's the blouse piece of this sari. Comes with plain blouse with 4-inch zari border. You can go for any contrast blouse with it, a bottle green or a parrot green blouse. This looks amazing. And this is sari code number 11. The price is 15,500. Moving on to the next one. Similar one with no buttas. It's a plain Paithani sari. This is in the shade reddish pink. Thank you, Shilpa. Similar border with no buttas. That's the color of it, and that's the border of the sari. It's got approximately 10-inch or 8 to 10 inch of the border. Okay. Yeah. So this is sari code number 12. What's the blouse for this? That's the blouse. It's got zari weaving. This is sari code number 12 and the price is 12,500 without buttas. Yeah, moving on to the next one. Hi Nazima, thank you so much. Okay, this is the one which actually grabbed the attention from yesterday's sneak peek. This is actually sold out to a client who wanted it, and there have been a lot of inquiries on this particular sari. This is all over Paithani sari on Munga Georgette. This is pure handloom sari, guys. Look at that, how rich it is looking. It's got a great falling and a beautiful zari work. Such an amazing masterpiece it is. How's the blouse for this? Show it towards the end of the sari. That's a beautiful blouse with polka. Yeah, that's the blouse. Again, Paithani border. Beautiful polka dots, polka weaving on the blouse. Very pretty it is. Guys, this piece is sold out right now. If you would like to make a pre-order, it takes 2 to 3 weeks to deliver. So you can go ahead and make a pre-booking on this. This is sari code number 13 and the price is 19,800. Hi, yeah Shilpa, this one is the showstopper, definitely. It's a very pretty one. So similar sari, let's move on to the next one. Thank you, Amra. Amra says beautiful collection. Thank you so much. Hi Nazima, if you would like to get the similar sari, you will have to make a pre-booking, which takes, we take 2 to 3 weeks to deliver. So this is again a similar sari with opposite concept. Like the earlier one, you've got polka dots on the blouse and the paitani all over design on the body. So this one has a polka weaving throughout the body of the sari, and it's got paitani weaving on the pallu. Yeah, and a beautiful border, of course. Let's look at the blouse piece. Blouse piece for this, guys. Also, please make a note that you can get colors customized in this. Since these are a little on an expensive side, you can take a conscious decision on what color you would like to get. We can share the shade card, and you can get it dyed. You can get it in any color, and you can just get it as it is. You can just wear it like this. If you have any contrast blouse, say orange, blues, greens, pinks, any color, you can just wear it and flaunt it. That's how it looks if you wear. This is in beautiful earthy shade of beige color. Hi Malika, sari code number 13. Yes, Sitishri, we did another live only, especially on organza sarees. So we will definitely come up with digital organza sarees. Okay, so we've shown this kind of sarees in our earlier lives. So we've got new colors in this. This is again in Banarsi handloom georgette with all over floral weaving. Got nice multicolor brush work. That's the pallu of it. Beautiful shade in yellow. How's the blouse for this? Hi Aparna, you can WhatsApp our team on 9121017226 and they will get back to you with details. They will take you through the process of how to order. Yeah, that's the blouse piece. You can go for any contrast blouse. You can go for gold, white, pink, green, orange. Yeah. This is sari code number 15 and the price is 12,500, guys. Yeah. Sorry. Let's move on to the next one. Similar sari in the shade pink. We all love pinks. Yeah, this is in the beautiful shade pink with all over work. Zari is in gold, not in silver. That's how it looks if you drape it. Very rich looking sari, guys. Very falling. This is sari code number 16 and the price is 12,500. Moving on to the next shade. We have two more shades in this. Total 4 shades. We've shown yellow and this is pink. Let's move on to the next 2 shades. So this is another shade in steely grey. This is in the shade steely grey, similar design, and the zari, it does not look like, this is actually in water zari, not a gold zari. Take a look at it. And it comes with a plain base color blouse in georgette with a border, zari weaving border. That's how it looks. Show me the pallu. That's the pallu. And the blouse. blouse piece. And this is sari code number 17 in the shade steel grey, and the price is 12,500. Moving on to the next one. This is in the shade purple, deep purple, and it's got a gold zari weaving. That's how it looks if you drape it, and it's got a blouse piece. The one that she's wearing is also going very well with this. Yeah, that's the blouse piece. You can get your blouses customized with us. Yeah. The one she is wearing is priced at 5,500, so you can opt for the similar blouse, and that includes the material, embroidery and stitching price. So this is sari code number 18, and the price is 12,500, guys. Let us know if you have more questions. Yeah, moving on to the next one. This is another beautiful masterpiece. The sari has Meena work all over on georgette. Yeah. That's the close look. Beautiful bridal one. Looks like a bridal sari. It's got a great falling texture to it, and this Meena work is all over the sari. You will get a gold pallu. There's the beautiful pallu for you. And it comes with a plain blouse material. Can you show me the blouse material now? It's got beautiful tassels as well. Yeah, that's the blouse piece with it. This is sari code number 19, Meenakari work, and the price is 14,500, guys. Hi Swetna, she's asking what's the color. Which one is it? Tomato red. This is a very bright red. You can go for actually a blue contrast blouse material if you're not a fan of great fan of self-colored blouses. You can opt for contrast blouses as well. So this is the whole look of the sari, and the sari price is 14,500. Sari code is 19. Let's move on to the next one. Another bridal color, bridal red. Again, this is with Meenakari work. Thank you, Shwetna. Thank you so much. Similar red. It's got a beautiful pallu. It's got Meenakari work. Yes. That's the whole look of the sari. It's got beautiful checkered pattern throughout the sari, and a multicolored Meenakari work on the pallu. Can I see the blouse? Okay, it comes with, yeah, that's the one. Comes with a multicolored Meenakari work border with self-colored blouse material. This is sari code number 20, and the price is 12,500, guys. Such a pretty one. Yeah, stunning color it is, guys. Hi Urvi Patel, thank you so much. It means a lot. Thank you for joining live. Let's move on to the next one. So this is Banarsi Georgette again in the shade deep maroon. Not maroon exactly, actually it's a burgundy color. Yeah. So the beauty of this sari lies in its border and the pallu. If you look at it, such a beautiful border it is, with lotus and floral jal pattern. It's got a beautiful tassels. You can go for any contrast blouse with it, or you can go for a self-colored blouse as well. So how's the blouse for this one? If you're a fan of deep colors, you should actually go for this. This will enhance your look. That's the blouse piece with a simple border on the sleeves that you can use for the sleeves. This is sari code number 21 and the price is 9,500. So moving on to let's move to the next one. It's a blouse piece. So we also got a lot of inquiries on this particular olive green checkered sari, Banarsi Georgette sari. So this is the open look of the sari. It's got beautiful checks and a great pallu. You will love these saris for its falling textures, guys. Very easy to drape. You don't have to put many efforts to, pleat them and carry them. Very body hugging saris, yet rich looking with its weaving techniques and patterns. I personally love these Banarsi Georgette saris. So this is sari code number 22, olive green checkered Banarsi Georgette, and the price is 9,500. It's got a plain olive green Georgette blouse material, which is not available right now. It's in a different store. It's in our work unit. So that's a plain blouse with a border. So this is sari code number 22 and the price is 9,500. Hi Hema, anything in baby pink or wine color sari? Hema, we can customize if you have any requirement in these Georgette saris. You can just let us know. We can share the shade card and we can get them done for you. Hi Shravani, thank you so much. What's the price of the purple sari she's wearing? The one that she's wearing is 9,800 and the blouse is separately priced at 5,500. Yeah. So let's move on to the next one. There's a pretty pink ombre Georgette sari. This is, we've shown it earlier. We just had one piece of this and we thought of showing it with an open pic. So it's a light to dark shaded ombre sari. It's got silver weaving all over. Very pretty one. Can you show the pallu? That's the silver pallu. Yeah, it's got shocking pink blouse material with it. You can go for any contrast blouse as well. Yeah, that's the whole look of the sari. This is sari code number 23 and the price is 9,500, guys, just for 9,500. You can go ahead and WhatsApp us on 9121017226 and my team will get back with all the details. Moving on to the next one. Another bridal red sari with all over weaving in gold zari. That's the rich pallu for you and that's the floral jal weaving. So this is how it looks if you drape it. Got big floral bunches to it and beautiful tassels. It's got a plain blouse material with it. Yeah, that's the blouse material for it. This is sari code number 24 and the price is 10,500, guys. hope you are liking the colors and the unique patterns that we are bringing. Please do comment. Again, we're actually obsessed with this particular shade in lilac, a deep lilac. Look at this beauty of the sari and the color. I personally love this color. So we've got two shades in this, one being a deep lilac. This has got nice antique weaving. Can you just come a little further? Look at this zari weaving. This is neither silver nor gold, not even antique. It's got a beautiful silver that beautiful weaving it has. The zari color is love, I must say. Yeah, that's the whole look of the sari, and it's got a plain blouse material. Hi Hema, how to order the sari 23, code number 23. Hema, you can WhatsApp my team on 9121017226. They will get back to you. Thank you Ri, thank you Jyoti Katar, it means a lot. Khushbu, you can WhatsApp us on 9121017226, or you can also email at varunikuture hyd@gmail.com, and my team will get back to you. Yes, we've got a color variation in this. This sari code number is 25 and the price is 10,500, guys. Yeah. So the next shade is in red. The weaving technique, pattern, everything is same, just the color variation. Even the zari color is same. Beautiful red. Thank you Nivedita, she's absolutely stunning. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is a sari code number 26, red Georgette Banarsi sari, and that's the blouse piece. Such an amazing color, guys, you should not miss on this. So this is sari code number 26 and the price is 10,500. Let's move on to the next one. So we have a sari with blouse. This is in the shade red and yellow. This actually, hi Nivedita, I feel like I want all of them. Yes, you are welcome to buy all of them. Thank you so much. So this is in the shade red and yellow, and it's got a beautiful blouse. You must check it out. Can you just show that blouse, Sushmita? Not that. It actually comes with a running blouse material in yellow, but we've made this beautiful blouse. The blouse embroidery has been done only on the sleeves and on the shoulder part. Yes, it is a lovely combination. Very traditional colors, very temple going colors. Yeah, looks amazing, I know. So this is sari code number 27. The price of the sari with running blouse material is 9,000, and the blouse itself with material, embroidery and work, and stitching will cost you 6,000. So moving on to the next one. Thank you, Sushmita. Thank you, Kalpana. Any more colors in Paithani borders? Yes, Deepthi, as mentioned, you can get color customizations done in Paithani saris, as mentioned. Okay, this is another shade. It is in rustic orange. Beautiful checkered pattern. It has beautiful animal weaving throughout the sari. That's a beautiful pallu for you. Yes, that's the whole look. You can go for any contrast blouse. Blouse sizes can be customized as per your requirements. I mean, we can do it as per your sizes, Deepthi. Thank you, Jayaprada. So this is in the shade rustic orange. Yeah. So How's the blouse for this? Yeah, that's the blouse piece. This is not that shocking orange, guys. Very subtle and elegant or rustic orange. Thank you. And this is saree code number 28 and the price is 9,500, guys. Yes, let's move on to the next one. We try and incorporate very unique colors and unique patterns. Let us know your feedback on this. This is again a different shade. I must say this is in turquoise green. So that's the antique pallu. And it's got polka buttas all over the saree. It's got approximately 8 inches of border. Yeah, that's the whole look. It's a very unique color, guys. How's the blouse for this one? Thank you, Kanaka. Thank you so much. So that's the blouse piece for this particular saree for turquoise green. This is saree code number 29 and the price is 9,500. You can of course get color customizations in this particular pattern. Yeah. Let's move on to the next one. So this is another magenta shade in chevron weaving technique. If you look at it, it's got a nice chevron pattern throughout the saree and an antique pallu. That's how it looks if you drape it. Beautiful magenta pink. Yeah. How's the blouse piece? Yeah, that's the blouse for this. I hope Insta live is going on. Yeah, guys. So this is saree code number 30. Chevron pattern in the shade wine magenta, and the price is 9,500. Let's move on to the next one. So we always get inquiries on this particular saree. We thought of sharing this in pink. We've shown colors in this earlier. So this time around we're showing you in pink. That's the body of the saree. It's got nice stripes weaving on the body and a great pallu, great kaddi border pallu. It's got a plain blouse material in pink with a border. That's the first look for you. You can get color customizations again in this saree. This is saree code number 31 and the price is 9,500, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Again, a beautiful color combination in ice blue and purple. We've done ice blues and pinks earlier, so this time around we got ice blue and purple done with silver zari. That's the pallu. Of the saree. It's got nice silver buttas all over the saree. It has a pink blouse material, sorry, purple blouse material with silver zari border. This is the whole look of the saree. This is saree code number 32 and the price is 9,500. Moving on to the next one. Sorry, we're just running too fast. Please take a screenshot, or you can tell us the saree code number along with the screenshot, and my team will get back to you with details. Thank you, Arpita. So this is another beautiful shade in deep pink and red with an antique. No, sorry, this is not antique. It's got a beautiful gold zari weaving and small borders on either sides of the sari. It's got a great red pallu. Such an amazing color combination, guys. This is very vibrant and pretty, I must say. This is sari code number 33. Is a blouse piece in red. Yeah, that's the blouse piece. Hi Kushbu, on sari number 26. You can message me on 9121017226 if you would like to book any of these saris. My team will assist you. This is sari code number 33, purple and red combination, and the price is 9,500. Moving on to the next one. So yeah, so from here we will be showing some chiffon saris, Banarsi chiffon saris. We've shown this earlier in orange shade. A lot of y'all have asked in pink with silver zari borders and big buttas. So this is one such sari in pink shade with silver zari. This is sari code number 34 and the price is 9,500. So that's the blouse piece for it. Excuse me guys, just 2 minutes. Forgot the sari code. Which one it is? So in a similar ones we have colors. So this is a Banarsi chiffon sari, another beautiful shade in orange. Yeah, that's the Banarsi chiffon sari for you guys. These saris are priced at 7,999 each. It is a little transparent. As you all know, chiffon being a transparent material, it is slightly see-through. You will have to plait it if you're not comfortable wearing it one side. Hi Urvi, do you have any silk saris? Not at this moment, but we will definitely get back with such collection. So this is in the shade deep orange and the price is 7,999. It comes with a beautiful orange blouse material in plain. Yeah, that's the blouse piece. So this is priced at 7,999 guys. You can just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. My team will assist you. So moving on to the next shade. This is the shade candy pink with silver zari. Similar sari with color variation. That's how it looks if you drape it. And it comes with a plain pink blouse material with silver border. Yeah, that's the blouse. This is one more. I think there are more, right? Yeah. Let's check out the other colors as well. This is in candy pink. We've seen orange, this candy pink. Sorry, I didn't put codes for these, so you can just take a screenshot. There's one more in peachish pink. Such a stunning color it is. Hi Tishri, which pink are you referring to? Yeah, this is the shade nice pink and comes with a beautiful plain blouse material with silver zari. That's not the blouse actually. Hi Smita, thank you. Yeah, this is the blouse material. This is the exact shade of the sari, guys. Very pretty color, don't miss on this. Yeah, this is priced at 7,999. Let's move on to the next one. Similar one with mint green. It's silver zari again. The buttas might change a bit, but all are similar saris with similar textures, and prices are same, of course. So this is in the shade mint green. Hi Madhulika, thank you so much. Madhulika, if you have messaged us on WhatsApp, please do bear with us. We will get back to you with responses, and you just need to bear with us. Some of these saris are in multiple pieces, so you don't need to worry getting out of stock. We will definitely book it on your name. So this is in the shade mint green, a very very light green, subtle one, and this is priced at 7,999. And here's the blouse piece for you. Yes, that's the blouse piece, and that's the exact shade of the sari. Moving on to the next one. Similar sari in the shade yellow. This particular sari is great for occasions like haldi, yeah, sangeets. Very classy color it is. You can go for any contrast blouse. Thank you Madhulika. So this again comes with a plain blouse material with silver border. And this sari is priced at 7,999. Yeah, that's the blouse piece. Hi, so Madhulika, are you referring to these? These are actually unstitched materials, guys, not saris. So if anyone is interested in getting these, you can actually schedule for a virtual tour with my team from Monday, because the lockdown restrictions have been eased. So you can go ahead and schedule your appointments to take a look at the collection from the store. So this is sari. I'm sorry, there's no code for this. This is in the shade yellow, and the price is 7,999. Let's move on to the next one. It's hanging beside her. This side? You mean the speech? Another pretty shade in olive green. Very stunning color it is. That's how it looks if you drape it. All these saris are with silver zari. This is slightly water zari, not silver. Pretty shade, guys. Yeah, that's the blouse piece with it. Stunning it is. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Again, this is priced at 7,999. Similar sari in variations with buttas. It's in polka dots. The zari weaving technique is different, guys, and this is slightly thick in texture, not as see-through as the other saris that we have shown. So this is priced at 9,500. This is not at 7,999. So there's a little variation in weaving and the thickness of the material and everything. So this is in silver zari again. That's the blouse piece. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of this and send us a message on 912101 and 7226, and my team will get back to you. Yeah, moving on to the next one. Pink sari with jal work. one of my favorites in blue. Somehow this blue is taking a bit different, but this is a very light blue with silver zari. This is again a bit see-through. That's the pallu of this sari. It's got nice silver buttas all over and a plain blouse material with zari weaving, zari border. That's the blouse material for this sari. You can go for a pleated version of pallu of a see-through saris, especially these saris if you're not quite comfortable in wearing it like this. But this is such an amazing color. You can take a screenshot and send us a message on 9121017226. Do we have more colors in this, Vaishnavi? Is this the last one? That I think we have shown. Yeah, let me just show you the last color for this live. Yeah, this blue is priced at 7,999, guys. We have shown this color earlier as well. This is in a unique shade of yellow, a kind of greenish yellow with red combination, a very traditional combination again. So it's got a beautiful red blouse material. So it got silver and gold buttas alternatively on the pallu and all over the sari. It's got great tassels and the blouse is in red color. This is priced at 7,999 again. Yes, that's the blouse piece. Yeah, that's the blouse piece. So this is going to be the last sari of the day, and let us know if you guys have any questions. You can WhatsApp us. Guys, please do bear with us while we connect with you to respond to your queries. I know it takes time because we will have hundreds of messages and it's very difficult to respond to everyone within minutes or hours. So please bear with us while we respond to each one of you. And yes, so thank you so much for joining us, joining our live. So yeah, see you next time with beautiful organza sarees, guys, with unique concepts. We're going to bring organza sarees which are actually ready, but we wanted to show you these Paithani concept sarees and Banarsi Georgette sarees which are ready to be shipped. So thank you so much, and please do messages. We will get back to you with all the details that are required. Yeah, please stay safe and see you next time. Bye. How do you end this? I don't know how to end this. Okay.